Hi, I'm Brian. It took me years and years to admit that I needed hearing aids. I tried different brands, different kinds over in the year, and the audiologist and the ENT kept saying I needed hearing aids, and I kept resisting. But now that I have these Oticon Zeal aids, it's almost a new world. There was enough loss in one ear and more in the other that I needed them, but I wouldn't admit it. So a friend had used Oticon Zeal aids and loved them, so I tried them with one audiologist, and then I went to Zip Hearing, and Sean was great, and I actually saved a couple of $1,000 because you have to shop around a little to get the right price. But I had a million questions, and Sean was great on email, even on the phone. The Zeal hearing aids have an AI component, so it really helps with adapting and clearly with the sound. I wasn't an easy sell, I wasn't an easy patient, and if it wasn't for Sean and at HearWell, which is my provider, Natalie and Chandra have answered a million questions. Plus, Oticon has this Bluetooth consultant you can call. And there I had a lot of questions too, because I don't know if you've tried hearing aids, but they take some time and effort to get used to. And I had a million questions. And everybody kept helping, even pairing them with making this video with my iPhone or the iPad. They need a lot of adapting and a lot of questions answered. But I use them a lot. They certainly help with the TV, because I realized that I was making it much louder than I needed to be. Now that I had the hearing aids, it went from like 52 to like 32 sound level. Also in crowded places like restaurants, and even when you're walking in the street with your friends, it's much easier to hear with the hearing aids. And I use them in the gym, not only as earbuds for music. I can now hear my trainer a lot better because he's only a few feet away, but it makes a difference when you have hearing aids in and when you don't. So I recommend these Oticon Zeal hearing aids 100%. They're the best ones that I've tried. I like the ones that are in the ear. You can see this. Here are the hearing aids. And it did take some adjusting. You have to go back a couple of times to your hearing provider, because there's different settings. There's general and comfort, and when you're in a stop the noise, there's 3 different levels of categories of what you need. So you have to adjust yourself, and you have to go back and they adjust it. But some places think you need like a year or two coming back. I went back like 2 or 3 times, and again, Natalie was great in adjusting them. They even do it before you get there by what you're telling them. So again, the Oticon Zeal are the best ones that I've tried. The in-the-ear ones are the best. This is my charger. I just put them in, and it's really great. And I clean them once a week, and they show you how to clean them, which takes some doing too, because you have to take out the filter and put a different filter in. But they're like anything else that you use in your life, even I guess glasses, you have to use that little cloth. So you have to use the cloth and you have to clean them, but the charger is great because I just put them in at night, and the next morning they're fully charged, and I can see the green light that I know it's charged. So this has been very convenient after a time of adjustment, which I got these in June, and now I love them and I'm comfortable. And as Natalie says, you can sometimes just put them in and leave them in. But that took a few weeks and a lot of questions asked and answered to feel this level of comfort. So I want to repeat like it's commercial, but the Oticon Zeal are what I got, and to me they're the best. So good luck.